Hello, this is postuploader.com. We are SEO-friendly blog post formatting and publishing expert. If you need any help regarding blog post formatting and uploading, you may contact with us. Okay, let's jump into today's tutorial. Today I will guide how you can embed TikTok video in your WordPress blog. Firstly, I will show how you can do this on your Gutenberg blog editor. After that, I will show for the classic editor. Right now, I am on my website dashboard, all post section. After that, I am going to open this test post in Gutenberg blog editor. And I am opening my postuploader.com TikTok profile. From there, I am going to open a video and I want to embed this video on my blog. Total, I will show the 9 methods to embed TikTok video in WordPress blog. So let's copy this TikTok video URL. After that, first method is embed TikTok video with TikTok blog. So come here and click on plus add blog, search here with TikTok, select that blog and paste that video URL. After that, click on embed, your video will embed here. Number 2 method, second method is I want to embed TikTok video with embed blog. So click on plus add blog, search here with embed, select embed blog and paste your TikTok video URL, click on embed, so your TikTok video is embedded here. Third method, I want to embed TikTok video with video blog. So same, click on plus, add blog and search with video and select that video blog. After that, at the right side you will find insert from URL. Click there and paste your TikTok video URL and click on apply or submit. So video embedded. Number 4 method is video press blog. So click plus add blog, search here with video press, select video press blog, paste your TikTok video URL, click on embed, video already embedded. Number 5 method is I can use YouTube blog too. So click on add blog, search here with YouTube, select, paste your TikTok video here and click on embed, your TikTok video will embed. After that, number 6, I can use even Vimeo blog. So again come, click on add blog, search here with Vimeo, click and paste your TikTok video URL, click on embed, TikTok video embedded. Number 7, I can use audio blog also. So audio blog. Click on plus, add blog, search here with audio and after that you have to click on insert from URL, paste your TikTok video URL here, click or press on apply, TikTok video embedded. Number 8, I can use shortcode for embedding TikTok video. Shortcode is embed opening tag, then embed closing tag. Between that 2 tag, you have to paste your TikTok URL and save draft. Okay, it will not visual here. So let's see view preview. Is it embedding here or not? So that was embed TikTok with shortcode embed and it's already worked. Number 9 method is custom HTML. Previous 8 method was I embedded TikTok video only with the video URL. But this time I will click on the right side TikTok. There has embed option. You see this embed option. Click there. After that you will get a code from the TikTok. So copy that code and come to your website blog post backend and click on add block, custom HTML, and paste that TikTok code here and save draft, view preview. First one, embedded TikTok with TikTok block. You see number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, 7, 8, 9. I embedded TikTok video with 9 method, and in my view preview all of the embed working perfectly. So right now I will move on classic editor. For the classic editor I only can use number 8 method and number 9 method. I mean shortcode embed method will work on classic editor, and embed with custom HTML, this method will work for classic editor. Okay, let's go in the classic editor. Right now I am on classic editor, visual section. So when you will open a post in classic editor, you will get 2 options. One is visual, another is text. When we will embed anything, we have to use this text option. We can't use this visual option. So I am going to click on text. Firstly, I want to embed with shortcode embed. So I am writing embed opening tag and embed closing tag. Between that 2 embed code, I have to paste that video URL. So that's the TikTok video, and I am going to paste that URL here and click on visual. You will see this embed is already working here, and now I want to embed with custom HTML. So same, I have to come on my TikTok video, which video I want to embed. After that, at the right side, I will click on embed. Then I will get the embed code. I have to click copy code, and I have to paste that code in classic editor text option where I want to visualize. That place you have to paste that code. So after custom HTML text, I want to visualize my TikTok embed. So paste it here and save draft. After that, click on preview post. Let's see. First one is displaying from the embed shortcode, and second one is coming from custom HTML. By following those methods, you can embed TikTok video on your WordPress blog. If you are using Gutenberg blog editor, you can use all 9 methods, and if you use classic editor, you can use 2 methods to embed TikTok video. So it's done for today. If this video was helpful for you, please subscribe my YouTube channel and share this video. And if you face any problem about blog post formatting, please comment below. I will be very happy to solve your problem. Thank you.